Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Pyrex lids is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any kitchen, especially when your original lids have gone missing or become damaged over time, leaving your beloved Pyrex containers less functional and more prone to spills and contamination. This is why finding the perfect replacement lids is crucial for maintaining the integrity and usability of your Pyrex glassware, ensuring your food stays fresh and your kitchen stays clean, making meal prep and storage significantly easier and more efficient for everyday use. Number 5. Pyrex 7201 PC 4-cup turquoise replacement lid, 4-pack. Introducing the Pyrex 7201 PC 4-cup turquoise replacement lid, a set of 4 essential pieces for your food storage needs. These lids are proudly made in the USA. Crafted from durable, BPA-free plastic, these lids are built to last. They resist stains and odors, and won't warp, ensuring a dependable seal for your food. Enjoy everyday versatility with these lids. They are safe for use in the refrigerator and freezer, and can be used in the microwave if properly vented. Achieve the best fit by matching the part number on the bottom of your dish to 7201 PC. This ensures a secure and reliable seal every time. Cleaning up is a breeze with these dishwasher-safe lids. Simply place them on the top rack for quick and convenient maintenance. What we like. This set offers excellent durability and resistance to common issues like stains and odors. If you're looking for reliable, long-lasting lids that are easy to clean, this is a great choice. They are perfect for everyday food storage needs. What people say. They fit tight and are perfect replacements to fresh your worn Pyrex lids. They seal better, fit better and don't leak. Fit perfectly. Seam softer, so they won't crack like the originals. Number 4. Pyrex replacement mixing bowl lids. Introducing replacement lids for your Pyrex mixing bowls. Keep your food fresh and your bowls protected with these essential accessories. Available in green, orange, blue, and red, these lids are designed to fit specific Pyrex models. Please check the bottom of your bowl for the correct model number. Made in the USA, these lids feature a non-porous surface that resists absorbing food odors, flavors, and stains. Enjoy lasting freshness for your ingredients. These lids are refrigerator, microwave, and top rack dishwasher safe, making food storage and cleanup a breeze. Experience ultimate convenience in your kitchen. These are specifically designed as replacement lids for Pyrex mixing bowls. Ensure your bowl model number is 322, 323, 325, or 326 for a perfect match. Please note that these are replacement lids only and do not include the Pyrex mixing bowls themselves. Enhance your existing set with these high-quality covers. What we like. This bundle provides a variety of sizes and colors, making it easy to identify and organize your Pyrex mixing bowls. If you have multiple Pyrex mixing bowls and want a convenient set of matching lids, this is ideal for you. The non-porous surface is a bonus for keeping things fresh. What people say. I use these daily in my home. I like that I can easily convert my glass mixing bowls into storage containers with these. They also hold up in the dishwasher with no issues. The different colors make it easy to grab the correct size quickly. They seal well and keep food fresh. Exact match, perfect fit. They fit my 40-year-old Pyrex bowls perfectly. My Pyrex bowls are the 322, 323, 325, and 326 models, Autumn Rainbow Brown Collection. After never having lids and now having them, even if they only last a few years as some reviews say, I am happy. I use my bowls all the time and this will be way better than a plate or saran wrap. Number 3. Pyrex 4-quart glass mixing bowl. Introducing the Pyrex 4-quart glass mixing bowl, a versatile addition to your kitchen. It's proudly made in the USA. Crafted from durable, tempered glass, this bowl is built to last. It resists stains, odors, and warping, ensuring it stays in great condition for years to come. Enjoy incredible versatility with this bowl. It's safe for use in the microwave, freezer, refrigerator, and oven, making meal prep, cooking, and storage a breeze. This bowl is designed to pair perfectly with lid 326 PC. For the best fit, simply check the bottom of the dish for the number 326. Cleanup is a snap with this bowl. It's dishwasher safe, with the top rack recommended for quick and convenient washing. What we like. This option is a durable glass mixing bowl itself, offering superior resistance to stains and odors. If you need a new mixing bowl that can go from prep to oven, this is the one. It's ideal for bakers and cooks who value longevity and versatility in their kitchenware. What people say. Perfect for stirring up large batches. I use it every week to proof bread dough. Sturdy and dishwasher safe. This is a replacement for the same bowl I've had for years that was part of a 4-piece set. I use this all the time. It's great to put dough into rise, ESP overnight in the fridge. I like to make instant pudding it, just the right size to use a hand mixer and store any leftover. In short, a roomy, versatile mixing storage bowl in one. Great high-quality bowl that does its job. It is extremely sturdy. Think of the Pyrex glass thickness. Number 2. Pyrex 7201 PC 4-cup replacement lids. Introducing the Pyrex 7201 PC 4-cup replacement lids, designed to perfectly fit your 7201 4-cup glass bowl. These lids are proudly made in the USA. Crafted from durable, BPA-free plastic, these lids are built to last. They can withstand regular use without bending or cracking, ensuring long-term reliability. Enjoy ultimate convenience with these versatile lids. They are safe to use in the refrigerator, freezer, and microwave, making food storage and reheating a breeze. These lids are specifically engineered for a precise fit with the 7201 4-cup glass bowl. You can trust them to create a secure seal every time. Cleaning up is simple and effortless. These lids are dishwasher safe, making maintenance a hassle-free task. Just place them on the top rack for a thorough clean. What we like. This pack includes 2 lids in different colors for your 4-cup glass bowl, offering a bit of variety. If you own the specific 7201 4-cup Pyrex bowl and need replacements, these durable, BPA-free options are a perfect fit. They are great for anyone who prioritizes a secure seal and easy cleaning. What people say. These Pyrex lids fit my anchor containers. This was a nice way to not only get replacement lids, but spice up the colors. So glad to have found new lids for my glass storage bowls, because over time the old ones split. Number 1. Pyrex 1-quart green mixing bowl lid. Crafted from durable, BPA-free plastic, this lid is built to last. It can handle regular use without bending or cracking, ensuring long-term reliability. Enjoy ultimate convenience with this versatile lid. It's safe for use in your refrigerator, freezer, and microwave, making food storage and reheating a breeze. Designed specifically for the 322 1-quart mixing bowl, this lid offers a perfect fit. It ensures a secure seal every time you use it. Cleaning up is simple and hassle-free. This lid is dishwasher safe, making maintenance quick and easy. Proudly made in the USA, this lid represents quality craftsmanship. You can trust in its durability and performance. What we like. This is a single, durable lid designed specifically for the 1-quart Pyrex mixing bowl. If you're looking for a replacement lid for that particular size and model, this BPA-free option is perfect. It's ideal for individuals who need a reliable lid for their smaller mixing tasks and want easy maintenance. What people say. This fit my bowl perfectly. Fits perfectly. Very sturdy. Perfect fit for 30-year-old bowls. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.